how to acquire land and control the project. Land acquire कैसे करें? Let me tell you, land acquisition with a twist that will change your game. Are you ready? So here's how you turn land into gold for your dream project. Hi, this is Pankaj K, your very own real estate strategist. To start with, cost appropriate use. Well, before falling head over heels, for a piece of land, pause, ask, does this align with my project's ambitions and wallet? It's not just about the price tag, it's the value to your dream project. Well, imagine you have got a vision with a dazzling return of say 20 crores in mind. To hit this jackpot, your land cost, it should keep it under 5 CR. Why? Because smart investments equal profitable outcomes. Backward blueprint. Well, start your dream. Revenue say, 50 CR in 5 years. That's for example. Subtract the journey costs, development operations, which might eat up a 30 crore. But what's left? A neat sum plus 20% profit margin. Crazy, right? Well, this backward calculation gives you your land budget to the magic number. Well, as I always say, location. The right spot can multiply your returns. City corner versus hidden retreat. Well, the difference could be your project being, packed or overlooked. Choose the states that turns your vision into a magnet for success. Then comes the precision checklist. Craft a checklist laser focused on your project's needs. Well, this isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about zoning it on sites that scream perfect fit, saving your time and amplifying your investment equation. Boom! That's how you transform land acquisition from a daunting bet to a calculated trump. Ready to revolutionize your approach and write your success story. Let's build not just projects, but legacies. Don't forget to follow for more golden nuggets. Signing off for now. Thank you very much. See you in my next videos.